Hello guys, I am back with another exciting Coach unboxing. So this time I got a Coach and a collaboration with an artist. So last year, Coach celebrates and honors a renowned New York City artist, Jean-Michel Basquiat, with the special collection featuring the elements from his revolutionary works of art, which features the colorful abstract imagery and inspired by the geometric forms of the New York City skyline. So based on that, maybe you guys have already an idea of what this item that I got. So I purchased this online. I think in a Coach outlet on the website. And this item is actually went on sale prior to the Memorial and Summer sale. And this particular item has already been sold out, and I don't know, I mean, maybe you could, I'm not sure if you could still find this one at the store, because this collection was released last year. So if you wanted to see the entire collection of the Basquiat collection, I am going to put the link right here on the top right corner so that you guys will be able to see and take a look at the entire Basquiat collection. So this is a Basquiat piece, and I am so excited, guys, because I don't know, I mean, I was thinking my collection wouldn't be complete without the Basquiat collection. So I went ahead and purchased this. So here's the item. So I got this last week and I just got a chance to unbox it and open it. So are you guys ready? So oh my gosh, this one is still in the original packaging, okay, which is really nice. I really do appreciate if they do that. So let me just take this beautiful piece from Coach. So this is actually a collaboration from Basquiat collection, and wow, oh my gosh, guys. So let me reveal. Oh my gosh. So this is the Basquiat square bag. Look at that. So they call this one a square bag because of the structure itself. It is square. And wow. I mean, I saw this last year at the store because I went to the store the moment they released the collection. And I was totally impressed with some of the collection, guys. And I would have never thought of that time adding Basquiat in my collection, because they are still very, very pricey. I must admit, they are really, really expensive that time when I went to the store. So now that after a year they put this on sale, and I didn't think twice and grab it and got this one in a really, really reasonable price. So this is the design right here in front. This is actually, if you guys could see, this is a banana. So this is a portrait of Andy Warhol as a banana, also known as the brown spots, a sly reference to the 1967 Peel and See album cover Warhol did for the American rock band The Velvet Underground, featuring a simple yellow banana. So that is just a little bit of like the history behind this painting, guys. And I'm just going to give you a little bit of a closer look. So you guys could see right here, they actually painted it right here, the yellow color. And then as you guys could see, the detail around the corner, that is embroidered. How beautiful is that? Wow. I didn't even notice this like right now, literally right now, that this part right here is embroidered. It's gorgeous. Wow. And this one, well, anyway, this one was painted in 1984. And this one is made up of this beautiful, beautiful, buttery, soft gloved and leather. It is a smooth leather. Wow. Look at that right here. It's original gloved and leather. Wow. It looks gorgeous. Beautiful. The craftsmanship on this particular piece is beautiful. No wonder that the price for this originally $795 US, which I believe I paid around $300 US. And yeah, I wouldn't be surprised it's $795. It's because look at the craftsmanship itself. The attention of details. Look at that. This one is actually shimmery right here. It says Gua Gua Kwa Kwa, something like that. That is the back side of it. And in the corner, it says there New York, NYC. And then this one is actually this shimmery, actually red accent to that New York right there. It's very nice. And also this one, I don't know, they carve it. Wow, the detail is absolutely amazing. Wow. And then this one, the secure lock right here this one is a turn lock closure. So let me undo this. And I'm pretty sure this is still brand new because as you guys can see, the packaging is amazing. Wow. So let me just remove some of the stuffing inside. This is the strap. Oh, the strap is still attached. Wow. And then we have the dust bag. This is the soft velvety dust bag. Very nice. Wow. So the inside still has this stuffing right here. So let me just take this one out quickly. And the inside, this one is lined once again with leather. Beautiful. Wow. This one is more likely in the ox blood color. Absolutely amazing. The patch grid right here on the inside is actually stamped right at the corner, right there at the leather. Wow, beautiful. Wow. It's actually pretty roomy though. Very nice. Oh gosh, I am definitely a fan of the leather interior, guys. Absolutely nice. And on the other side as well, this one has a slip pocket right here where you could just put some cards in it. So pretty much like there is no compartment on the inside, just this large opening right there. It's in this beautiful oxblood color. And then the hang tag right here, it says the Coach, the Basquiat logo right there. Oh, very nice. I love it. Wow, this is something special, guys, for me because I would have never really thought of getting this until I saw this online that it went on sale. It's $795 for $300. Oh, that's definitely a steal. Definitely a steal. So this one has a top handle right here. Let me just close this for a little bit. This one is a top handle right here if you want to use this top handle, which is nice. And this one has a brass hardware, which is this part here is, yeah, it is a shiny. Wow, very, very lovely. So this is the strap. So let me just take a look at the strap. As you guys could see, this is the strap. This is just in the gloved and leather. And obviously this is adjustable, so we have few settings here, and this one has a brass hardware as well. Very nice. This one is very, very soft. I love it. It's so beautiful. Wow, I've never thought of adding this in my collection, guys. I've never would have thought, because not until they put this on sale. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. I know that this collection may not be everybody's cup of tea because of These the painting right here is something I must say it's a little bit more likely in has a phallic symbol, but yeah, I just consider this as an art. And yeah, a lot of those like luxury brand nowadays, they have like images of a fruit. They have some of them as lemon, banana. Banana is very popular. Strawberries, and also I think the latest that I have seen so far is a carrot. And that is from Louis Vuitton. I saw that one in a carrot and it was like wow. But yeah, so I love it. I just really love the attention of details, guys. It's so beautiful. It's just like the banana, this really vibrant yellow color is absolutely amazing. Very beautiful, very, very nice. And more likely, this is a collector's piece. I might just end up probably just put it at home as a display or use it. But yeah, this is one beautiful piece. I know that Coach actually created this is also one of their iconic pieces as well, the square bag. They're actually priced like around 700 US dollars. And yeah, I was eyeing the one that is from this year's New Year, the Chinese New Year's one, the Lunar New Year. I was eyeing that in red with the combination of the signature canvas, and that was still like priced around $700. But yeah, I am totally happy that I was able to get just at least one from the Basquiat collection, and it's totally worth it. So this is like the stitching right here. It's not totally a contrasting stitching. The stitching was more likely gray, and this is like really black, like really dark color. It is not a light. I mean, you could really tell right there. I mean, there's like a black that is so dark, and there's also a black color that is a little bit some hint of a lighter color to it that's being mixed with, but this one is really dark color, guys. And even with this one, it looks like there is some sort of a contrasting color because the stitching is more likely gray, and also the leather is black. It's beautiful, and the pop of color, really, this one really stood out. I just love it. Wow, it's amazing, and it is very light. That's the nice thing about it as well. So yeah, definitely, like, I don't know what you could fit in here. I might probably gonna have to do a separate video on that, and also how I'm going to style this. But yeah, this is definitely one of those really nice pieces that I have purchased over the weekend. And yeah, if you can get a hands on these, yeah, it's gorgeous. It's definitely beautiful. The craftsmanship is amazing. So this one, it actually opens like this on the side, but I don't know how this leather at the bottom would hold up in time if you just keep closing and opening. I hope it's not gonna rip right here at the bottom, guys. That was just really like my worry about this piece, because this one is actually reinforced with the leather, and if you guys can see, if I close it and then open it like this, so you could see it's crumpled right there. And I don't know how this would hold up in time. I hope it's not going to rip right here at the corner, but yeah, definitely this is just going to sit right here in my collection. I really love it. I really love the pop of color, and the banana is actually nice. Very lovely. Wow. So yeah, so anyway, that's my latest purchase from Coach, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely gonna see you in my next video. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.